Okay, so hi dear Leo, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a monthly health, career, and finances reading for all the Leo Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of October 2025. Nowhere I'm stating that I'm a doctor or a medical advisor or a career advisor or anything like that. Please take this as a disclaimer, take the messages and the guidance only, but consult with your medical practitioner and your counselors, whatever is applicable in your case. Don't take every message as a personal message. Sometimes they're not for you. If they're not resonating, definitely they're not for you. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for the same tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, you can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Let's start with the health thing, Leo. We have the devil, Leo. Your own addictive behavior, your own addictions are going to ruin your health. You are addicted to something. It can be overworking, it can be alcohol, it can be sugar, it can be food, it can be anything. Your addiction and attachment to a certain thing, substance, or situation is going to have a very negative impact on your health. Maybe you are not going to see the results of your negligence or this addiction thing immediately, but you will definitely see the negative effects of this thing really very soon. So beware of the addictions things. If you feel like you have to go for a therapy session, detox session, or rehabilitation, for some of you, please do that. This is very obsessive energy, like you're obsessed with something. Even if you know that this is not good for you, you're not able to let it go. That's why we call it addiction, right? This is not a good card for health at all. Okay, for some of you, the addiction here is to be in your comfort zone. Even if you are suffering, you are not getting out of your comfort zone because you feel like this is I'm comfortable, I'm feeling fine, and I should be here only. Don't do that, Leo. It's having a very negative impact on your physical health also, and emotional and mental health as well. All of these are connected to each other. Hmm? The guidance here is the Seven of Wands. See, you have to protect yourself, your health at any cost. You have to create stronger boundaries, like for yourself, and you have to protect your energy. You have to take a stand for your health right now, Leo. Otherwise it's going to be a disaster, and it's going to be a very difficult to handle kind of situation if not taken care of right now. Please take care of your health. Remove all the addictions and things that are bad for you and not serving your purpose, and your health is going down because of it. If you're not going to do anything about it right now, definitely you are going to have difficult to handle kind of situations in the near future. So it's now up to you, completely up to you, Leo. Hmm? Let's see, for those of you who are working for others or doing job, what is the message for you guys? It's the Knight of Pentacles. So things are stagnant, even though things are slow, but they are grounded, stable, right? So you have a stable job, you have a stable thing going on, but you're not feeling the thrill of it. You're not feeling there's scope of improvement here, or there is scope of not improvement actually, maybe improvement in salary or something. You're not able to see the productivity here. You're not able to see a good future here, basically, right? Growth is not happening. You're feeling stuck. Maybe you are doing this job for your bread and butter or something, but you are not very happy about it, at least for the timing, because things are very slow and you are feeling stuck here. But at the same time, this is giving you a stable energy, like, okay, I have this job to rely on, I have this work to rely on. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys. Six of Wands. See, you have to, find your own happiness. You have to find your potential new career opportunity, new job. You have to create it with your self confidence, with your self worth, with your charisma. You have the potential to grab a very good opportunity to have a lot of growth and expansion and success and victory in your career. For that, you have to take the actions to make it happen. For some of you, you might have to talk to your superiors about some kind of another project thing or another job opportunity within the same office or something like that. But for others of you, it's time for you. If you're planning to change and it's happening from quite a long time now, this is your sign that you should opt for the change thing, and you should go for something that your heart is going to feel aligned with. That you have to do from your side. So you have to take the action from your side in order to get the good opportunity, job opportunity that you want in your life, that you want to create in your life. It's going to take you roughly 6 weeks to find a new job opportunity or to see career growth. But you have to take the action from your side, Leo. It's not going to happen without taking action. Okay. Let's see for those of you who are self employed or having their own business, Leo. We have the Four of Wands. Your business thing is going to thrive. You are going to have a reason to celebrate. It's going to give you a very stable vibe that your business is growing in leaps and bounds. You are going to feel that your business is becoming stable with each passing day, and it's giving you more and more good vibes and good energies and good returns. And maybe you guys are starting a new branch or starting a new business, side by side, a side hustle, because one of your business is thriving. You might have, like you can say, different franchisee kind of things, or other business thing also going on, or starting or planning to start it. But you guys are going to have a very beautiful solid reason to celebrate, and you guys are going to feel very comfortable and stable regarding your business. Um it's like during the festive season, the business thing is going to improve a lot, grow a lot, and you are going to have double reason to celebrate then. Awesome, very beautiful, awesome energy. Let's see the guidance for you guys. Star card. Obviously, remain open in this direction, and remain detached from the idea of having so much money, or you know the moment you are going to attach too much to the money thing or materialistic things, you might lose this happiness of yours. So remain open, optimistic, and detached, and keep on going with a positive mindset, and you are on the right track. Your positivity, your positive mindset, your optimistic behavior, your optimistic nature, your connection with whatever you are doing, this heartfelt energy of connection with your business is going to bring you lot more business. Okay, and it's going to bring you a lot of happiness, growth, and expansion in the coming future. So do not let any kind of negativity, or any kind of fear, or any kind of too much attachment thing come in between you and your success when it comes to your business thing, because it's growing really beautifully. Even if right now you're not able to see the drastic results, you will be able to see them in the coming future. From your side, remain open minded, optimistic, positive, and keep on doing your thing with a happy go lucky energy, and everything is going to shift in your favor very, very soon. Hmm? Okay, don't attach yourself too much with the outcomes. Just enjoy the journey, and it's flowing really beautifully. For job seekers or those who want to start or restart their business thing, let's see how it is going to be for you guys, Leo. Eight of Cups. You might get an opportunity, but you are going to walk away from that opportunity the moment you are going to get it. So, meaning, even if you are going to have an opportunity right in front of you, you might not be able to align with that opportunity. You might not be able to fully connect yourself with that opportunity, and you will try to move ahead towards something better. So basically, the opportunities that you are going to get in your job thing or business thing, for new job seekers or new business people, or restarting thing also, that's not going to keep you happy, or that's not going to keep you going. You are going to be like, no, I want something better. I want something more impressive, okay, more aligned with my path, kind of a deal. Okay, so even if there are going to be opportunities, you might not be able to connect with them, so you are going to choose to walk away. Hmm. Let's see the guidance here. King of Wands. So again, in your career thing, especially for those who are looking for a job or doing job, you guys have to take some kind of risk and action in order to achieve that kind of target, in your, like, or that kind of career opportunity that you want. I don't know what kind of action, I don't know what kind of risk you guys have to take, but it's like if you're not going to take the risk right now, you might not be able to get that opportunity anytime soon. The risk might be of leaving something behind completely and moving to a totally new career opportunity. The risk might be of being very, very confident and taking action from your side, like approaching people from your side, sending resumes, sending your business ideas. That can help you. You have to confidently create your own path with your own hands. This guidance is very specific. So do whatever you can do from your side in order to achieve your dream career. Okay, do not refrain from taking the positive actions. Be confident, but don't be overconfident. Be humble and grounded also at the same time. Okay, that you guys have to take care of. Let's see for the finances thing, Leo, what we have for you guys for this month. We have the Magician. You are in the manifestation thing right now. You might be able to save a little bit or invest a little bit. Little bit, the definition of little bit is very different for everyone. For some of us, little bit is 100 rupees. For some of us, little bit is 1 crore rupees. So take it how it resonates with you. Right now, you are just manifesting this energy of having a stable financial base. So right now, you are not very content with whatever is going on in your financial area, so you are just trying to manifest it, trying to create a solid portfolio for your investments, for your finances. Okay, let's see what we have as the guidance for you guys. We have the Ten of Wands. The Ten of Wands. Do not pressurize yourself to do certain things, even if you are not able to do them right now. Right? You are pressurizing yourself to save more, and you might be cutting the expenses from your day-to-day life that you have to spend, that are important for you to spend, something like that. So the more you are going to pressurize yourself to create a stable base for your finances, the more it's going to be difficult for you. So do whatever you can do with ease and with peace from your side, and don't take too much pressure. Hmm? Because even if you are going to save some more or invest some more in this pressure kind of energy, you have to, take it back from the savings or the investment. So what's the use of pressurizing yourself this much? You have to drop this pressure, you have to drop this heavy and burdensome kind of energy, and start doing the small investments. Baby steps are going to give you good results instead of doing a lot of things at once. Okay, honey, so this is what I'm getting for your financial department. So this is what I have for you guys. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.